Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Smart Connect application on your Lenovo Idea Tab Plus tablet. So this application is pre-installed on your tablet and ready to use out of the box. The only thing that you need to do is optionally sign into your Lenovo account in this app and also give it all the permissions that it asks you for. And you can also download this application on any other device that you have around. It's supported by Android devices. It's supported by Windows 11 at least. The Mac OS also supports it, and iOS devices support it too. So you can install it basically anywhere from the official stores. And for example, I have the Google Pixel here, and I have already downloaded the Smart Connect application, and we can open it from here. We can open this app on our tablet. And then to get started, let's tap Add a device, and then let's connect these two devices together. Now, let's show the QR code on this tablet, and let's scan the QR code using our Google Pixel smartphone. And as you can see, as the QR code gets scanned, the devices are immediately connected with each other. And now what we can do is we can basically observe which files we have on our Google Pixel device, as well as we can do the same thing on our Google Pixel smartphones. So we can scroll through the Lenovo Lenovo items on our Google Pixel smartphone, and we can watch what we have on our Google Pixel using our tablet. And we can also use the Share Hub to quickly share files and images. So you just have to access the Share Hub, then give it the permission to be displayed over other applications, and now you can add files to your Share Hub, and they will be displayed both on your both of your connected devices. So for example, we can enter the photo application, and we can grab this photo and we can share it, and then add it to Share Hub like this. And then this item will be also displayed on our smartphone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So unfortunately, we cannot use features such as streaming one screen to another one, or devices connection, so that we can use both devices at once. This is the farthest that we can go with these devices, as these two features that I mentioned. So the display streaming and devices connection are only supported by compatible devices. So the Motorola and Lenovo. So if you have a Lenovo smartphone or a Motorola smartphone, then you'll be able to use these cross devices that will allow you more seamless connection between them. But since it's a Google Pixel, it only supports file transfer. And now also we can download the same application on our computer. This is available in Microsoft Store. So we can just we can find the Smart Connect application here, then download and open it, and then we're gonna have to tap Get Started. Let's go to the following page, and then we're gonna have to. Okay, so this is for downloading it from the Google Play Store or from the App Store. Now let's tap Get Started. Let's save choices. Let's allow data sharing. And now let's add a device. Let's pair with QR code. So right now let's scan the QR code of our PC. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be visible, but I'm gonna use the camera of my tablet to scan the QR code on the PC screen, and right now our devices are paired, and we can start displaying our tablet screen to our PC. So let's get started. Okay. So we also have this app streaming. We also have this sending files tools, and we can also use the screen share by tapping right here. Then start screen share. Then allow the same thing on your tablet, and accept the request, and this screen share will start. Okay, so right now you can see the screen of my tablet right here on my PC. So let me maybe switch off the tablet completely from the camera. And so yeah, so right now we can watch what's happening on our tablet. We can stream YouTube videos, we can play games, and unfortunately we cannot, or we actually can control the tablet using the PC. So we don't we can actually access all the menus from here and navigate using our mouse pointer. Okay, so let's close this feature and let's go to the following one. So we have the webcam feature, which will let us use our tablet as a webcam for our smartphone. So let's click Start Webcam. Then we're gonna have to install the driver so that we can start doing this. Okay, then we're gonna have to restart our PC, and then we'll be able to use our device as a webcam. Oh, I didn't even have to restart the PC. So yeah, right now I can use my tablet as a web camera for my PC. And we can also enable the cross control feature to multitask between devices. So just select cross control and adjust the position of your tablet on your next to your PC screens. Okay, so maybe like this. Then we can, okay, let me just, okay, so and then we'll be able to basically use our PC and open anything on our PC using just our tablet. So right now I can open, I can open, for example, the Windows settings. It's kind of laggy, but does work. So I can even turn off the PC, which I'm not gonna do. So I can open settings from here. I can basically control both devices at once. So I can use my PC from both my tablet and my PC at the same time, and the tablet will be like a second or a third, in my case, monitor for my PC. And as you can see, even the mouse pointer is displayed on my tablet as well. So yeah, and these are all the features that we have available through this application. So let's disconnect all displays. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So as you can see, we as I said before, we have sending files. We have also some notifications to receive notifications from our tablet on our computer. But that's pretty much how you use your Smart Connect app. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.